In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a photo using Adobe Express. Whether you're using the browser version or the app, these simple steps will help you incorporate images into your designs seamlessly, enabling you to maximize the potential of your creative projects. To get started, you'll want to open Adobe Express. You can do this directly in your web browser or through the app if you have it installed. If you're kicking off a new design project, you can start fresh. Or if you have an existing design you're working on, go ahead and load that up. This versatile platform makes it convenient to jump right into designing or continue where you last left off. Once you're in the design editor, direct your attention to the site's menu and click on Add. This action unveils a variety of options for what you can incorporate into your project. For this tutorial, focus on Image or Media. Selecting either will allow you to engage with the next step, which is the image selection. You'll now see an option that says Upload from Device. This is your portal to bringing in personal images stored on your computer or phone. By clicking this option, your device's file browser will open, presenting you with the task of locating the perfect photo for your design. Scroll through your files, find the image that speaks to you, select it, and proceed with clicking the Upload button. This action will transfer your chosen image into Adobe Express, ready for your creative touch. For those of you who prefer an even quicker method, Adobe Express supports a drag-and-drop feature for image uploads. All you need to do is have your File Explorer open, select the desired image, and drag it over to the Adobe Express editor. Dropping it into the workspace will immediately load your photo into the design, providing an efficient alternative to the Upload button. With your image successfully uploaded, you'll see it appear right within your design interface. Now the fun part begins. You can click and drag to move the image around, resize it to fit perfectly within your design frame, or utilize Adobe's editing tools to tailor the image to your visionary needs. Crop, adjust, and filter to your heart's content as you integrate this visual element seamlessly into your creative endeavor. And there you have it, a straightforward process to add any photo into your Adobe Express project. Keep experimenting with different images and designs to make your projects visually engaging and uniquely yours. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has simplified your journey into the realm of creative design with Adobe Express.